Hey Bill, yeah, so I've got that stuff organized online now. I did notice that for the index page, like some of the different sections, I only have a video, like one demonstration, and it's just using Dreamweaver, but probably at the time I did it, I thought I'd just use one and put a note. But anyways, long story short, if you have any questions on the index page and those components deep down inside, when the video is talking about, it's the same thing, open up the library, right? All the video does is tell you open up the library and what page to open up. If it says LBI, open up the HTM, same page name, just a different file extension, but everything else other than that is pretty much exactly the same. But your contact page or team carousel, yeah. So in your components folder there, we've got the different carousels right here. Okay, so let's open up, if you open up the index page, we'll open this one up here. We can actually do a bit of a trace back to figure out whereabouts things are located with the screenshots we have. All right, so here, for example, what you could do is once the page loads up here, and my video doesn't start crashing, hold on a sec, here we go. Right here. So it tells us right here, library components, carousels, BS testimonials. What's the testimonials carousel? Sorry, team carousel right here. Library components, carousels, team carousel. That's the folder, and then the file, because we're using MS or Microsoft, to be team carousel HTM. So carousels, team carousel right there. Now what you can do if you want to use this on another page is just simply expand the team carousel folder and then make a copy of the page, right? And then you may want to call it something like the page that you're putting it in. So let's say we're going to put it in the about page. So we've created a copy. There we go. So now we can actually open this one up here and do modifications. But to actually put it into the other page, what I suggest is from the index page here, just click on the screenshot that you see of the component, flip it to code view, and that you see how the entire WebBot is sort of copied there, right? So what we can do is just sort of click to select it, right? And then we can copy it. Then we can go to any other page in our site now, our about page, for example. Okay, now the fun part is trying to find a place to put it. So I'm going to put it in the top section here just to show you, because it's not something you're going to do in the design view. You're going to sort of locate a space in the design window here by clicking on something. Then I'm going to ask that you sort of switch to the code view, okay? And then what we can do is sort of find a spot to paste or put our cursor and then copy and paste, right? Actually, that's not very well explained. Just trying to find, basically what we want to do is we want to find a row. Okay, that's really what I'm trying to say. So we sort of put our cursor in here, and then we use the quick tag selector up here to sort of move along until we find a row. And we're going to select that row like that, flip it over to code view and sort of find the bottom of the row here, and then we can sort of put just before the closing row div tag, right? So this would be the closing row div tag there. All right, how do I know? Because that's what I had selected in the, right, like this part here. This is what I had selected like that. Ugh, I lost it. When the video is not cooperating, here we go, select code, there we go. It's all highlighted in green. This last div tag, that's the ending row. We want to just put the component right above the closing row tag, right? So we need to get our cursor in here. Put here, I'm just going to put a little bit of text here so I know where to paste. Go back to design, and there we go right there. So now I can select and I can paste from the index page, and there it is. There's the team carousel dropped in there. Now what we're going to do is simply go in here and change this to team carousel dash about. Type in the name of the actual page like that, and that's how you copy and paste into another page.